you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're